So this right here is my worst nightmare. I keep my Sur Ron right here in my bedroom. It has been a consistent nightmare for me to wake up and not see the Sur Ron here because somebody broke in and stole it. That's why I always hide my name and everything. I don't trust you guys. Today I'm reviewing something INVOXIA sent me. They sent me a GPS tracker that has a bunch of really cool, valuable features, and I'm gonna go ahead and test them out.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't, yeah.
So just to go over some of the features with this tracker, a lot of which are unique to this tracker. It uses 4G network, so it's not relying on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. It lasts up to 4 months per charge. The way it does that is that when it's not moving, it'll turn off. And then when it senses movement, it'll turn on. It comes in the box with a 1-year subscription, and then beyond that, you have to pay to keep the tracking going. The anti-theft alerts is one of my favorite features. You'll get a notification on your phone anytime the bike moves at all. So say you have it locked up outside while you're going in to do something. If somebody even just touches it a little bit, I'll get a notification on my phone and I can go out and check on it. Wow, pretty sleek. Oh, yes. So here's the biggest challenge with this GPS tracker, and probably any GPS tracker, is that you need to put it somewhere on the bike that nobody can see it, but it's still accessible to be recharged, and it has full unobstructed view of the sky. And that means no metal between it and the sky, or else it won't get any signal. So right now I'm just gonna try and find a good spot to put this on the Sur Ron. So one option, I guess, would be under the hood here. Oh. Oh! That fits beautifully. I think my plan, so that it doesn't fall out every time I open the lid, is I'll probably get a Velcro strip to put right here and right here, and then I can just Velcro it there, and whenever I need to charge it, I can take it out. The local stray cat came to say hi. Hi, buddy. No idea whose cat this is, but he likes our house, so he's always welcome here. Oh, oh no, hey, get the fuck out of my room. You're cute, but you're not allowed in my room. Looks like it's up and running. There I am, California. It actually says exactly my house address, which I'm not gonna show because I don't trust you guys. All right, well, that's charging up. I'm gonna, almost walked right through the glass. I'm gonna take the Ron to Target and I'm gonna buy some 2-sided Velcro to stick it to the bike. Let's go. Got the last set of black ones.
What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys,
So if you were using this to track like your backpack or something, the strap would be great to keep it attached to the bag, but because I'm just going to be having it in the battery compartment, I'm just going to cut this off if I can. Beautiful. Perfect. Boom! So I've had the tracker for 2 weeks now, and I really love the peace of mind always knowing exactly where my bike is. And I've noticed how sensitive this anti-theft feature is. Ready? So I'm just gonna very gently put my phone right there. So say somebody wants to be like, oh, look at these nice Magura brakes while your bike's locked up. Like, that's all they do, right? They just touch it. Let's see how long it takes for me to get a notification. Says the Ronster moved. So that was what, less than 10 seconds. So say your bike's just locked up here, you're going into the store to get some floss, and somebody just checks your brakes, you'll get a notification on your phone that your bike has moved. I love that. That's so much peace of mind. So if you're interested in this INVOXIA tracker, go ahead and use my discount code. I think it's Sur Ron X 15. I'll put it down below. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking this out. Stay tuned.
Yeah.